Good girl, stay. Stay. Good girl, Quella. Good girl to stay. Well
Tá Ian díreach tréis an Mhadra coilde a Saol.
Good girl. At the moment, there's a lot of traffic here on the road. She has to be very traffic sound, as we call it, because this is the most dangerous point for a child because they could bolt at any time.
Mar chuid an Saol, ceann lítar páiste le duine den Éirinn leis an Mhadra, agus déantar ahris ar an iompar a bheith ag páiste a bhfuil óthacha sé.
Tend to run off. That's it. The attachment is from the dog's jacket, so if the child ever bolted, it will tighten around their waist. It gives that extra second or two for the parent to grab the attachment to bring the child back to the dog. Good. Also, we have a handle. It gets them into the mindset of the responsibility, the confidence and their independence of walking their own dog, but also gets the mindset away from the environment and concentrating on holding the handle, which can be a big thing for kids with autism. Waiting, well done. Waiting, good girl. Well done. Forward.